Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. This video is to let you know about the amazing transformation project that I have been working on for the last few days to help you out. And this transformation program is my one-to-one exclusive coaching program personalized for your goals to help you accelerate and skyrocket your career growth and attract financial abundance. So the name of this program is Heal Yourself for Career Growth and Financial Abundance. So if you have been someone who is looking to first enhance yourself so that you can very easily work towards either achieving excellence in your job or your business and manifesting more financial abundance, then this program is absolutely for you. Now, I will give you a little backdrop of why I have started this one particular personalized one-to-one coaching program. So a few days back, as you remember, I started this 5 days audio coaching on this topic on my WhatsApp group and my Telegram community. And the topic was how to elevate your career growth via mindset work. And after I received DMs from 2 people in the community who actually told me that they did not take those audio lessons for granted, but rather they brought that implementation in their life and how powerful they have created results with just those audio notes. With that, they also asked me if I have something exclusive in the form of one-to-one coaching or mentoring program. And that gave me a thought that as these 2 people were looking for such a program, there could be many more of you in the community who would be looking for such a transformation. And in order to make your job easier, I have come up with this program. There's also another reason for launching this program. So in the last year and this year, I worked with 3 clients who specifically manifested a highly desirable job and a highly paying job. The job which they really wanted and they really liked to have. Now, let me start with the first story. So last year, somebody met me through LinkedIn and they enrolled for my 3 months of coaching program. And they were earlier working in UAE in the chemical engineering sector and they had lost their job due to COVID. And after that, they wanted to work more on elevating their internal confidence and their emotional strength. So for the 3 months, we worked on enhancing their internal confidence and also their communication skills. And after the program got over, within 1 or 2 months, they got a job that they desired in the field that they were an engineer in. And I don't know whether they got a job overseas or in India, that I'm not able to recall, but it was such a beautiful moment to actually see that the work that they did on themselves, that work indirectly helped them manifest a job that they were looking for. They had lost their job during the COVID time. They had an entire family to support. And you can understand that just for a few months, somebody can sustain through the savings. But after that, everybody needs a running source of income. So just seeing this transformation was so beautiful for me because the kind of dedication they showed towards healing their limiting beliefs, towards healing their negative thought process, towards strengthening their confidence and their emotional strength was just amazing to see how they actually manifested a job that they were searching for, I think 8 to 12 months after they had lost the job during the COVID time. And now finally when they got the job, immediately after when we finished up with the sessions, it was a very, very happy moment to see someone actually getting that kind of happiness in their life. The second thing which happened is somebody did not enroll for my long-term coaching program but had just taken a few coaching sessions from me. And then last year, I launched a manifestation audio challenge in the Telegram community. And I also did this manifestation challenge one-to-one with some of my community members. At that time, I didn't do it in the group, but I did it one-to-one. And this one person, as they were a part of my Telegram community, they told me that how by following each and every audio note of that 10-day manifestation challenge, they actually manifested a highly desirable job, which was actually the same as what they were designing. Like when they told me that they had actually gotten the job and they were searching for that job for a really, really long time. And after going through this challenge of 10 days, when they found the job, they told me that it is exactly the same as what they have been looking for. And I was like, wow, how is this possible that it is exactly the way that you have been looking for? So I was really impressed by the kind of dedication they showed by implementing the free content that I shared in the group. And that made me wonder that if somebody can just manifest so many changes in their career by following these few points, then how amazing transformation can happen, how amazing results can happen when somebody puts a dedicated focus towards actually working on themselves, thoroughly and specifically for elevating their job or business growth. That really got me thinking, and I realized that I must create a program to address this specific thing. The third story that I want to share is that somebody enrolled with me for a 6-month long coaching program, and they generally wanted to improve the quality of their life. At the same time, they wanted to remove the stress and worries, and also wanted to gain more courage in making the decisions of their life. So improving the overall quality of their life was one of their major goals, and also they wanted to increase their courage so that they could make more important decisions in their life with more ease and more grace. So by the end of the fourth month of the program, they already got a new paying job. And let me tell you why this is important for me to specify is when they had enrolled with me for the program, they told me that this is also one of their goals, that they feel very stagnant in their current career after the sabbatical that they took, and they feel that so many other people are ahead of them and they are behind right now and they would want to work on it. They just told me in the first or the second session, but believe me, we never really did a direct work on this particular aspect of their life, which was career, which was their job. We didn't work on the job manifestation. We worked on every other aspect of their life where they could remove the worries, they could remove the stress, they could heal their traumas, and they could invite more joy and abundance in life. And by the end of the fourth month, they told me, they actually didn't tell me by the end of the fourth month, by the end of the program, they gave me a surprise by telling me that it's been a really long time. I have been hiding this thing from you, but I wanted to give this to you as a surprise. That the kind of work that we have done over these months, I got an amazing result even before the program ended. And that was manifesting a new job. They have been wanting to manifest this job for a really, really long time. And I'm not sure how much efforts they had put before joining my program to actually manifest this job. But when they joined the program, they were really confused about how they wanted to go ahead. And there was a deep desire inside them to actually make it happen. So they had just expressed their desire to me and we had all forgotten about it. And then what happened is, as they worked through these sessions, they gained so much immense strength from inside that helped them to work on their resume, to actually start posting, applying for the jobs on LinkedIn. And one fine day, they got a call. On that one job they applied. It was a very hassle-free process, and immediately their interview got scheduled, the interview was done, and the new job was in their hands. They wanted to tell me this amazing news by the end of the fourth month, but they didn't tell me at that time, and they kept it as a secret. And by the end of the 6 months, they revealed it to me, and I was so happy. They were so happy to actually see this miracle happening, which was not happening for so many years, finally happened when they started working on themselves. And this really got me thinking that when I have these 3 particular evidences of people who worked with me, who didn't directly work on their job growth, but they worked on themselves, and the indirect side effect of that was a growth in their career. So why shouldn't I prepare something which was more specific to career growth, to the job growth, to the business growth, and let you all see the amazing results that you all can manifest. So that is why I have come up with this program, Heal Yourself for Career Growth, whether it is your job or your business, and for more financial abundance. Now this program is for entire 6 months, and I thought to keep it little shorter as I was contemplating over it. I thought let's keep it for 2 months or 3 months or 4 months. But believe me, it took me so many days to actually come up with this program because I could not congest it just within 2 or 3 months. That was not happening. And I want you all to experience the results and not just do a program for the sake of doing. And that's why 6 months is a minimum time that I could align to. And finally today I'm revealing this program to you because less than 6 months was just not suiting my nervous system, and I was not ready to accept that I would work with somebody for less than 6 months, which is 2 months and 3 months, and I would help them transform. I couldn't see that in reality happening, and that's why I always believe that once you commit to the 6 months process, which is the minimum, the least amount of process, you can actually see major transformations happening. You have to give yourself 6 months to see that transformation. Now, you will ask me that why should I go through the entire video, the next part of this video. So who is this program for? This program is for you if you are an IT professional, if you are a corporate professional, if you are a business owner, whoever you are. If you want to accelerate either your job growth or your business growth, then this program is for you. This program is for you if you believe in the power of self-work. I repeat, this program is for you if you believe in the power of self-work. This program is for you if you have been following my content, liking my content, and have been contemplating to work one-on-one with me, and now you want to work on accelerating your job or your business growth, then this program is for you. This program is for you if you know what are the technical skills you must invest on for either accelerating your job or your business, but you don't really understand how you must take yourself forward because there are too many things on your plate. You get overwhelmed, you get exhausted, and you just don't seem to understand how you can prioritize your thinking process. If that is you, then this program is definitely for you. If you are someone who starts working towards their career goals, you move ahead and then you find a pause for some time, and then you go back and then you restart again, you go ahead and then something happens, you take a break, and then you are stuck in this vicious circle, and you don't know when this process will become smoother for you so that you can take massive action without break. If that is you, then this program is definitely for you. This program is for you if you are a mother who had taken a sabbatical and now you're making a comeback after a really long time and you feel that your confidence has dipped. You need that strength from within to start further, and you feel absolutely clueless as to how to navigate this career transition journey yourself. And you know that something in you needs to be fixed, something in you needs to be healed, and you are ready to take that plunge to work on yourself, then this program is for you. This program is for you if you are someone who has big dreams and big aspirations and big goals to work on your job or your business goals, but then something happens in your personal life and your career goals take a backseat. So either you are a mom who is too worried about their child. Every now and then you have a pattern, you have a habit of creating worry for the child's life. And because of that, you are not able to focus on putting that energy into your dreams. So you feel that your child is doing absolutely well in life, but you have identified that it is your habit of worrying unnecessarily that prevents you from focusing on your career expansion goals too. If you are that mom, then this program is for you. If you are someone who has gone through a separation from your partner or a painful breakup and you have been wanting to heal yourself, and you have healed yourself to an extent, but now you feel that because of that mess situation in your life, you were not able to focus well on your career. And now that you want to focus on, you are not able to with that 100% confidence, with that 100% clarity, because a part of you is still wounded. A part of you needs that hand holding. A part of you needs to elevate their confidence. If you are like that and you want to work on healing yourself so that you can feel absolutely delighted in your space, to actually have that energy to work on your job or business growth, then this program is for you. So if you fall under this category, you can definitely contemplate about joining this one-to-one transformation program. And now let's move on to what are the modules that I have created in this entire program. So I'm going to share with you 5 modules that I have created in this program, and your entire transformation will not be limited to only these modules, because you understand that life happens, okay? Whatever you plan, some things will not go accordingly and new things might come up in your space. So in the coaching journey, it's more about going with the flow and addressing those specific needs and situations which come all of a sudden. So if we go by a very structured process that we are going to cover this and nothing else, then it does not become a holistic approach. It does not become a holistic healing and coaching program. So I want you to consider the framework of modules that I'm sharing with you as just a framework, and we are going to work beyond that. If there is something else that shows up in your space as we go on this journey, we are going to address that, because unless those things are addressed, how will you find the confidence to move ahead? It is very essential to address those parts as well. So let me share with you what are the modules that I have designed for this program. The first is you will learn how to create your own conscious identity to grow your job or your business. So in this first module, we are going to cover how you can create your own conscious identity, not a subconscious identity, but a conscious identity. Because only when you create your conscious identity, you can then start to automatically and very effortlessly grow towards your career. The second module is how your nervous system safety and your own body impacts your career growth. Yes, it is very true that your nervous system safety and your own body directly impacts how much you grow in your job or your business. And we are going to cover this aspect of module in the upcoming transformation journey. The third module that we're going to focus on is you will learn how to heal your inner child and reparent that inner child so that you can see more more possibilities of growth around you. The fourth module that we will work upon is you will learn how to identify your true passion and then harmonize that passion with your life purpose so that you can create a career that energizes you and that does not drain you. It is very essential that you create a career that energizes you and that does not drain you. And the fifth module that we will focus on is that you will learn to identify what are your money blockages. You will learn to heal your money trauma, and so that you will have that space inside you to attract more financial abundance. And that will only happen when you learn what are your money blockages and how you can heal your money trauma. So these are some of the modules that we are going to cover. As I told, our structure is going to be very fluid. Whatever comes up in the space, we are going to address that. Because only when you address all the aspects of your life, or you will address all the aspects of your emotional strength and your mind, you will be able to create the best results in your job or in your business for yourself. Now, you will ask me that what are the results you are going to experience? What is the value that you will get out of this program? So, first is that you will let go of all the undesirable things. The undesirable things is that you will let go of the worry, you will let go of the stress, you will let go of that stuck energy inside you that does not allow you to take action towards your job or your business. So with the help of this program, you will let go of all these undesirable things from your life. And what you are going to gain as you let go of these undesirable things, you are going to gain more desirable things in your life. The first desirable thing that you are going to gain is you will gain absolute clarity of how you can bring the desired change in your job or in your business that you have been really looking for. So you will gain that absolute clarity of how to bring that desired change. The next desirable that you will gain out of this program is you will gain the peace of mind so that you can produce the desired results in your job and in your business that you have been looking for. And the third thing that you are going to gain out of this program, the value that you're going to gain out of this program, is that you will experience positivity in your energy so as to take action towards your job or your business with a smile and not with a sad face. So these are the results that you are going to experience, the value that you are going to get. Let me reiterate this value again to you in very short. So if you are someone who is tired, who is exhausted of the chaos in your mind, and you want absolute clarity of proceeding ahead either in your job or your business, thinking clean, clear thoughts in your brain, then these are the results that you will absolutely get. You will go from chaos in your mind to absolute clarity in your mind. You will let go of all the worry and the stress that does not allow you to take action towards your career goals, and you will have that peace of mind. Because only when you have that peace of mind can you actually take effortless action. You can take action with ease. And you will let go of that negative energy which drains you not only for days, for weeks, for months, and that does not allow you to take inspired action. You will let go of that negative energy and you will start having more positive energy in your life. So these are the results that you are going to experience in your life, and these are also the immense value that you are going to get out of this entire program. So if this sounds amazing to you, then let me tell you that this entire transformation journey is for 6 months. We are going to work a lot on your healing and coaching your brain for the next 6 months. You will work on experiencing the expansion in your nervous system, and you will see some amazing results in the way your brain will start thinking, because the results that you produce in your life is directly proportional to your nervous system safety and the thoughts that your brain can think. So we are going to work on the thoughts, the clean, clear thoughts that your brain can produce. You are going to nurture those thoughts, and you are going to heal your traumas so that when you let go of all that baggage, you create space inside you. And only when there is space inside you can you feed more positive thoughts in your brain. You can create that nervous system safety. And when your nervous system safety is intact, your job or your business growth will automatically happen. So this 6 months of journey, the energy exchange for this is written below the video. You can check all the details. And if this entire program excites you, I also want to tell you that you are going to get a lot of amazing audio bonuses in this entire program. Apart from the live sessions that I do with you, I also give you a lot of amazing audio bonuses which you can keep with you for a lifetime and listen to them, coach your brain, and see the nervous system expansion happening in the real space, and you will see the results coming to you. So those amazing audio notes that I will create will be very specific to your challenge, and I will create it for you once I speak to you, because it is going to be very specific for everyone. It's not going to be same for everyone because your needs are very different and your goals are very different. So whatever suits you, I am going to work on that and I am going to record those and send it to you. So if this excites you and you would like to have more clarity by speaking to me one-on-one, then you can definitely book your consultation call for 90 to 120 minutes to have a conversation about this entire program. And this consultation call is absolutely free. I am sharing the link below. You can click on that Google form link. You can fill that and you can book your consultation call with me. It is going to be one-to-one consultation program, and you are going to share your goals and your pain points regarding your career with me. And as I understand your pain points, as I understand your goals, I will be able to decide whether you are the right fit for this program or not. If at any point I feel that you would need more preparation, that you must not go for this program and you must wait for some time, then I am going to tell you that right away. Because my focus is not to get so many people. My focus is that I get you the results. I get you the value that you have been looking for. So if there is some confusion in your mind that you would like to discuss regarding this program, and you have loved the absolute structure about this program, you have loved the concept about this program, and if this excites you, then you can definitely book your consultation call, which is going to be for 90 to 120 minutes, and let's discuss then. So thank you so much for listening, and let you now take the lead of your life and make your life and your career uncomplicated. Thank you.